going on YouTube? We are back with another video. We're in Vegas, right? We have show number one. We're gonna do the Aces stage, and today's Thursday, so land in Vegas around like 8 o'clock. Show Saturday, 11 a.m. Yeah, so quick little rundown this morning. I am not drinking any water before I fly just because I want to keep water levels pretty low. Looking pretty lean, pretty dry, but it goes to dry out even more. The last time I did this was Wasatch. I didn't drink any water going up into the aircraft and landing and all that, and I came out pretty lean and dry. So I'm looking to replicate that and maybe make that a little bit better. Water did drop, and we have one more workout when we land. So I guess today is going to be more so land, unpack, and take you guys through a full day of eating, just because I think you guys like that so much. So I'm going to do my best to kind of give you guys a tour of what's going on. And I'm going to be with Joe, right? I did a show with Joe. He's also in one of my videos earlier. So I've got Joe, Sierra, and I'll be hanging out with them, chilling with them until the Olympia. So this first show, this is just like a test run, see how things go, figure out a couple peaks. But yeah, things are going pretty well. I'm actually at the airport, so you hear all this noise going on in the background. But yeah, we are 2 days away. Weight is about 180, and I'm getting ready to hop on this plane here. So stay tuned. More to come. Peace. Voila!
Come here. Rush hour, bro. Come here.
What's up, bro?
You're ready. Holy shit.
Oh, my goodness. How are you?
Doing good, man.
Thank you so much for picking me up, bro. All right, what's going on? So we're back. We're actually in Vegas right now, and got my boy right here, yes, Joe, sir. Picking me up.
Rush hour
bros are back. It's so good to be in Vegas. It's been a while. Last time I was here, this is when I won my pro card, I believe. So it's good. Sir. It's good to be back. Not only for the Olympia, but the Aces stage, So.
And I'm the good luck one, when you stay with me, yeah. Just like you win the show, and So
man, it's good to end the season here.
Yeah,
that's all I want to say. It feels good, and then to have Joe here motivating when I need it and all that. That's also what I'm looking forward to. But yeah, I haven't had anything to drink or eat at all since I woke up. So first thing is to grab breakfast, and then we're gonna figure out the next step from there. But
so you're going to IHOP to get your breakfast?
Oh yeah, let's actually go to like IHOP and McDonald's.
Yeah. It's carb up literally.
So yeah, we're gonna grab breakfast. I've got eggs and oats, and I'll give more details once we get to the house and everything else as well too. But we're here. We made it. We're in Vegas. See you guys soon.
Let's go.
Let's go. First meal, we've got 4 eggs, 8 grams of oats, 8 grams. What are your plans after this for breakfast?
I'm gonna eat and then hit the office.
Yeah.
Sarah's staying home because like her work will be like online stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So she will do that. I'm gonna go out and ship out with the peptide.
Yeah.
With her. And after that, pretty much that's it.
All right, y'all. We've got 4 eggs cracked. Today we're monitoring sodium, so we've only got 1,000 milligrams of sodium for the day. So I'm gonna try and monitor that as close as I can. The only thing I'm gonna be adding is just maybe spices to chicken and all of that. But yeah, cinnamon, nice. I don't think cinnamon has sodium, so if it did, oh well. My oats, usually I do like a swig of water and I put it in the microwave for like 90 seconds or so. So we go ahead and get that going.
Water. Oh, no. Filter. You know, you gotta be bougie, man.
Oh man, I'm not used to this.
Good. Now you gotta get used to that. There you go.
I'm not used to this. They have bougie water, y'all. They have bougie water. And as usual, we put the eggs and the oats at the same time. Cool. All right. Water time.
Water?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
What? You need water?
Yeah. I haven't had water all morning. I don't know. I've been up since 3 o'clock. Meal one, we have 80 grams oats, 4 eggs, and then we're gonna do 27, let's call it 28 ounces of water. Like I mentioned earlier, today we've got 90 fluid ounces in total, so we're gonna be measuring our water as we go. All right, peace.
Did you forget where your allegiance lies? Like, what's going on? Yeah, I gave you attention. What you eating?
Oats.
Oats? After this time.
All right, so we're back. Meal number 2 is on the way. We've got 200 grams of rice, 6 ounces of chicken. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't want to spill, but that's what we've got today. Mouth is watering. Every time I look at food, I'm just so hungry. So gonna eat this. I'm still in the exact same couch, same position. So that's pretty much where I'm gonna be for the rest of the day. Just eating, chilling, relaxing. Nothing big, nothing too ordeal. But yeah, we're just gonna do this, relax, watch some Karate Kid, and take the rest of the day to chill and relax. We have 2 more meals like this before we get into a different set of meals. But we're working out at 3 o'clock. We're gonna go to NewTech Gym. NewTech Gym, it's pretty new, pretty big here in Vegas. So that's gonna be the goal. That's gonna be what we're gonna get into for the workout. But here we go.
I'm headed over on YouTube, sorry.
Also forgot to mention, I've got 3 waters today, 95 ounces. I've already drank one for breakfast. I drank a full one, so kind of out of luck. So I've got like 2.3 ounces left for the day. So that means like 3 of these and maybe a little bit left. I think it's 95 fluid ounces today. So it's gonna get me through my meals and the workout and everything else in between. So we're portioning a whole lot today. Yeah, should be good, should be fun. I'm really excited for the workout today. It's gonna be cool going to NewTech. I've seen a lot of pics and videos, so I'll show you guys what that looks like. But I'm gonna eat now.
Hello, YouTube.
Got Sierra.
Still today.
All right, so that wasn't on this whole time. So I just did air fryer chicken, 6 ounces, same as last meal. I'm gonna cook it again. 10 minutes, 360. After this meal, I'm gonna start getting ready for the gym because it's currently about 1 o'clock, right? So getting ready for that, and then it should be good. I totally forgot that this wasn't working. Sorry, y'all. This was a prep brain working. But yeah. All right. So we're here with meal number 3. It's 6 ounces of chicken, 200 grams of rice. And because sodium is low, what we have here today, we're gonna do Frank's Hot, Red Hot. Only has 190 milligrams for a teaspoon. So not really using a teaspoon amount, so I think it's fine. I'm just gonna dabble a little bit. And that'll be it. All right, just monitoring sodium today, making sure it's good. But yeah, here we go. Catch you guys on the next meal. I just finished up with, what is this? Karate Kid, so I'm gonna watch something else and then I'll keep it going. But should be working out pretty soon. I'll keep you guys updated on that, and stay tuned. Peace. All right, y'all, we are going into NewTech. Look at this, it's windy. Hello, hello. Hi, how are you?
This is Dallas.
Nice to meet you. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Dallas. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
What's going on? All right, we're gonna do this quick workout, last workout, show of the day. Should be fun. And I'm gonna get some legs going too. We're here just a little bit. Gotta touch them out, get the calves looking good, you know. Here we go.
I thought you were doing full leg day with me.
Thank you, thank you. Oh. All right, y'all, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the workout. And as I'm working out, I'll give you guys a quick little tour about this new gym. It's not live yet, or it's not open to the public, but just a select few can train and work out in. But here is the gym, the facility. Oh man. Man, totally blessed to be able to do this. I have no idea where to start. I'm just gonna get this thing moving, get the things going, and we're just gonna have a good time. Last workout, gotta enjoy it. So here we go.
What's up? Dallas, nice to meet you. I was wondering if I could get a picture with y'all real quick. Send me some stuff.
Oh, yeah, I've been working with Chula, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Yeah.
Been working ever since.
Oh, man.
He's great.
He's great. Thank you so much.
Yeah, let's take a picture, bro.
Appreciate it.
You give me a minute.
Come on. Thank you so much. Good luck to you. Hey, I'll see you. I'll be at Olympia too, so yeah. Nice to meet you so much. All right, we're just about done. Oh, we are. I'm done. Pump is gone. Pump came and
You know
gone.
what matters?
Well,
A potato. So we gotta go get a potato right now.
yeah, so we're on the hunt for potatoes because we don't have any, and the potatoes are the only thing that's gonna help me with this pump right now. So we gotta go. We're all depleted. We're all glycogen's gone, baby. But solid workout. Did shoulders and a little bit of quads. That's it for this part 1 of prep. This is a very cool gym, y'all. This is what's going on here? Okay, so very, very cool gym, very cool experience. This is I don't know, this is quite the experience. I'm excited to see what it's gonna turn out to be. Man, let's go come back. Okay, take it easy. Thank you so much. All right, y'all. This is a post-workout meal, 200 grams, potatoes, 6 ounces chicken. Workout was good, like I said earlier. So I'm just gonna eat this. I didn't have potatoes, so I went next door to like the Japan market and did like a baked potato thing, right? Microwave this, dabbed it a bunch of times. If you don't know that trick, I learned it from Sarah, and it's been working. Lifesaver for today. So I'm gonna eat this post-workout meal, and we're still at NewTech. Still a great gym, great spot. Joe, how you feel? You look tired. You're not tired? Yeah.
I'm thinking about you winning the show.
Yeah? He's thinking about me winning the show, so it's gonna happen. After this, we have one more meal, and then we have a shake. So next meal is gonna be salmon and veggies, as well as 50 grams of whey. But I'll show you guys what that looks like as we get there. But gotta eat this. I'm starving. The pump went and gone so quick, so quick. Felt really good, and then once I used up all the glycogen and everything, it was just depleted. So that's how we know we're getting there. All right, so we're here. We got meal 5. We just got done with workout a very long time ago. Meal 5, we're looking at 6 ounces of salmon, and we've got 50 grams of asparagus here. So I have a little bit more sodium to go, so I think I'm gonna add Frank's Red Hot once again, just to get a little bit of seasoning and some sodium for the rest of the day. After this, with the remaining water that I have, right, we're gonna do 50 grams of whey, and then that's it. I should probably do that right now, but yeah, just know I'm gonna do my whey, and then I'll be it for today. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys tomorrow or whenever, but we are 2 days away from Ace of Stage, and I feel good. I'm gonna rest and do it all over again tomorrow. So like, comment, subscribe, and check out all the links down below. Use code MACHO for TLF, Rule 1, and Chula, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Because like, I usually knock them in. We have to do it now before other company approach to them. You forget that we live in Vegas.